Good morning, students. This is part 2 of chapter 2, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. So here we'll be knowing what was that sound, or say what was that noise which made the bear and the dog stopped then and there and moved behind the tree to see what was coming towards them. What was that dangerous thing? And then let us move further to know the more story. Coming to the recapitulation, that is, let us do the quick revision of what we had studied in the last video. So students, we studied that a dog was born who was totally ill-pleased. That means he was totally unhappy with the way of life that he was leading. He did not like it at all. And then after thinking about it over and over, he decided to be the servant of someone who would be the strongest on this earth. And then he got a wolf on the path, and then he asked the wolf, "Would you be my master?" The wolf agreed to it. But when he heard that bear is stronger than the wolf, he left the wolf. He said a goodbye to the wolf and he went to the bear. So the bear and the dog were in search of a cow so that they kill and eat it up and fill their stomach. But as soon as they were about to reach a herd of cows, they heard a terrible noise, that a very unpleasant noise, and they stopped then and there. And they came just behind a tree to see what was that, what dangerous thing was that. So let us see further which sound was that and who made it. This is the part 2 of the story. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Hastily means, to be in a hurry. So as soon as the bear looked from behind the tree, he saw something dangerous. As soon as he saw that, he ran in a hurry into the forest, and he was continually running deeper into the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? The dog said, "It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts." The lion? Who is he? Because the dog did not know who was lion. So the bear said, "You don't know about lion? He is the strongest beast on this earth." Then the dog said, "Okay, then it's a goodbye to you, because I have decided to serve the master who would be the strongest on this earth. And so I want the lion to be my master." And he said a goodbye to the bear and he went to the lion. Then the dog asked the lion to be his master. The lion had no issue, and so he agreed to it. The dog stayed with him for years and years and served him for a long, long time. It was, a very good life with the lion. He was enjoying his life and he had nothing to complain about. Also, there was no other stronger beast than the lion in whole of the forest. Nobody even dared to touch the dog or offend him. Offend is to hurt someone's feelings. Nobody even dared to offend the dog, because dog was the servant of the one who is the strongest on this earth. So one day what happened, the dog and the lion were just moving and having a walk along a path that ran amid bare cliffs. That is, they were walking in the middle of the cliffs. Cliff, students, you can see in the background picture here, that is a high area of rock here, that is a triangular one, and that is just next to the sea. But all of a sudden, the lion stopped and he gave a great roar. That is, he made a loud noise and he struck the ground. Struck is the past tense of strike, which means to hit the ground angrily with so much of force that a big hole was formed there. And he started to move back quietly. The dog was surprised. He did not get what is happening. And so he asked his master, "Master, is there anything wrong?" The lion said, "I smell a man coming this way. We would better run off this place, otherwise we'll be in great trouble. That is, we'll be in great problem." Oh, that means you are not the one who is strongest on this earth. Then I'll say a goodbye to you, lion, because I want a master who is stronger than anyone on this earth. Coming to the ending of the story, the dog went to the man and joined him. And he stayed with him for years and years and served him faithfully. That is, he served him in a loyal and in a trusted manner. This happened long, long ago, but even to this day, the dog is our most loyal servant and he knows no other master. For a dog is the only thing on this earth that loves you more than he loves himself. That is the speciality and faithfulness of a dog. Coming to the glossary of the story, here we'll be seeing the word and its meaning. Hastily, done in a hurry. Beast is a large giant, especially a wild animal. Offend, to hurt someone. Amid is in the middle of. Cliffs, a high area of rock that is next to the sea. Struck is actually the past tense of strike, which means to hit something or to hit someone. Faithfully means in a loyal and in a trusted manner.